Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So right now I am about to go to the best place in the entire world. Just kidding, it's not the best place in the entire world. It's actually Walmart. So it is Sunday, about to go do some groceries, but I actually do got something to look forward to. I actually have two beard mail unboxings to do with you guys, so make sure you guys stick around to the end, and one of them has a story. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but as I was talking, I put the camera kind of like all of a sudden kind of put it down, and it's actually because my neighbor actually happened to walk out and he saw me talking or vlogging, and I just kind of panicked. So I'm like, I put it down. So I was like, I don't know why I freaked out either. I'm like, I've kind of done it in public here and there, but for some reason my neighbor watching me was just kind of like, I don't know. I'm gonna try to break that fear though. So I think I'm gonna, one of these days, I may purposely just vlog right in front of him just to kind of be like, yeah. But anyhow, on the way to Walmart, gonna grab some groceries. After that, I feel like, you know what, it's a great day for a beer. I don't know what kind of beer I want to get, so I'm gonna stop by and grab some beer after, and then do the unboxing. All right, so we are here in my kitchen / living room, and we're about to do this unboxing. Today, drink of choice, right here. Check it out. Kugel's Summer Shandy. It's actually not bad. It's very perfect for Vegas right now. It's light, it's lemony, it's good. Now, got two unboxes, but one of them, let me show you the bag real quick. So you're probably wondering why it's in the bag. So what exactly happened? So you guys know all my mail is sent to the in-laws. And a couple days ago, Jen went to go pick up the mail, and they went out. They left the little ones, which is two little dogs, Chloe and Bubbles, and they got home, and Bubbles was going ham on this package. Sad, very sad. So, since then, I haven't really seen the damages, so we're gonna see this together. Needed a couple days so I can kind of process this. So, the package has been already, like I said, slightly opened. I've opened it more, so kind of gives you an idea there. All right, we'll start off with this. So first things first, this is from a company called Relic. So check this out, guys. This is a 1 ounce beard balm. Check it out there. That's pretty cool. I like that vintage look to it. Check it out. See what else we got in here. Gotta bring out the knife. That's a 1/2 ounce. We got another beard oil here. Gonna go ahead and open this one up. Check this one out. Whoa, nice. Look at this. That's badass. Damn, look at that. All right, so far, looks like no actual damage has made it to the actual products. Looks like my little one actually just got the package, the outside. So far, super relieved. All right. Oh man, looks like we actually got 2 more oils. Wow. All right. I was not expecting that. This one right here is a pheromone. I believe that's how you say it. Check that out. One more here. This one is the Mountain Rain. Looks like we got a couple business cards here. Check it out. All right, so there's one more here, and I'm hoping the brush is fine because I can see my little one's markings on the leather. Check that out, guys. Ooh, check that out. Nice. I'm gonna go ahead and take this for a spin. Sweet. The comb itself is perfectly fine. I don't see any markings on it or anything like that. So, I do apologize for this though. Lesson learned here, guys. Lesson learned. It's a man. I believe that's how you say it. I do apologize if I butchered that. Thank you so much for sending this out. I'm looking forward to using these products. And now I got the second package. Now the second package was actually sent out as well. This is from a company out of the UK. I've actually done a review on them. This is actually from Beard and Bones UK. So got the knife here. And let's check this out. All right. So it looks like one of these bombs may have leaked a little bit because it is a little bit leakage. So I'm gonna grab a napkin and get this cleaned off. All right, so like I was saying, so it looks like one of the bombs in here may have opened up because it is a little bit, it has leaked. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this down. All right, it smells fantastic though, I'll tell you that right now. So we got a Beard and Body Butter, the male. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just open it up just to make sure this one's okay. I'm gonna try to resurrect this because, guys, I don't know what happened there. Hopefully the other two are okay. Oh man, that sucks. Okay, like I said, I believe this is the one that leaked, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean this off. So this one is the Creed. Check it out there. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. Okay, looks like we're good on this one. It is a little bit melted, so I'm gonna have to go ahead. I'm gonna put these in the fridge. Hopefully, can kind of dry them up a little bit. Oh, man, these smell great. Wow, this one has like a cologne scent to it. Let's see what the last one is. Come on, please. All right, and then this one is Invictus. Check that out. Here we go. All right, so far so good. All right, so I'm going to put this in the fridge. Hopefully let these things cool down. Hopefully get them to harden up a little bit. Oh, gosh, these all smell fantastic. Jeez. It's all mixed up in here now, so it's like I don't even know what whiff I'm getting. Everything just kind of all mixed in, and man, these are some pretty badass cards. Look at this. So I just put them in the fridge. Hopefully I can resurrect them. This is actually the first time this ever happened like that. The package has been in the room the entire time, so I'm shocked right now. I'm like, so all right. So update. Just took these bad boys out of the fridge, and now you can see the outcome. So just check this out. All right, so it looks like, yep, should be able to use it with no problem. Sucks that big old chunk was missing, but there's still plenty enough that I'm able to use it. So that's the plus side of it. So I just want to say thank you so much to the guys over at Beard and Bones UK. I'm going to do my best to use the butters as best as possible. Time for some pizza up at Walmart. Boom. Called Screamin' Slicin' Pizza Co. This is the Supreme.